Hi, today I wanted to speak about random and Random.seed, so-called pseudo-random numbers, because those are actually not truly random numbers, and in computer science there's not such thing as a truly random numbers. There's an algorithm. It uses CPU clock time to define the random number, and what seed does is defines where it starts. So if I'm gonna run this, it's gonna give me a list of random numbers, and each list will be different. However, if I uncomment this, what's gonna happen? We're gonna have an empty line that we're gonna start again with the same seed that we started here, and have a guess what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen? We're gonna have the same line as we start. So if we're gonna be adding those will be exactly the same numbers we had, which is very useful when we want to have the repeated effects, repeated results in our software. Try using seed in your own projects, and good luck.